A watch that is inspired by Cheetah because it is fast, lightweight and pretty damn accurate. Weighing just 27 grams, Amazfit Cheetah is actually doing justice to its name because it is fast and reliable. Durability meets elegance with a fiber-reinforced polymer, skin-friendly and breathable liquid silicone strap and GPS. It is intuitive, it adjusts to satellite signals based on your real-time location, ensuring you get the most accurate tracking without draining the battery. With the Zep app, you can install and uninstall apps to enhance your health and fitness journey as well as your everyday lifestyle. With Zep Coach 2.0, get insights and know when to push harder or when to take a breather. When you have Amazfit Cheetah, you don't have to use your phone because you can save all the music inside your watch itself. Plus, no phone means no distraction. It is you, your Amazfit Cheetah and the open road. Go get your training started now.